Hello and welcome to Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. I'm now going to do a room tour of cabin 12098. Okay, so let's start with the bathroom. As you can see, it's a nice modern bathroom. The shower's got a rain shower and a handheld shower. The products that are here are called Red Flower and they're absolutely lovely. They're kind of like essential oils, that kind of aromatherapy smell, really lovely. You've got a little lead there to pull across, if I just show you, for your wet washing, the little washing line. Go. And it's, you know, a nice little spacious shower. The only thing missing is the little step there for shaving your legs. As you can see, it's a nice spacious shower. But the door opens inwards, so by the end of the cruise it could be a bit of a squeeze.
Lisa?
Yeah?
Can we check shower pressure?
No.
Okay, so we've just worked out with a bit of force the door will open in and out. It's just got a very good seal on it.
As you can see, it's a huge vanity mirror. And the sink area is really nice and spacious. If I just zoom in, you can see all our products are really cluttered here. So what we feel would have been better is to make the vanity mirror slightly smaller, and then on the right you could have had some shelving there. A little bit more shelving would have been really good. Okay, so let's move on to the room tour. So now I'm going to show you the wardrobe storage space. So you've got this curtain here that you can pull across. We think that works really well rather than a traditional wardrobe. You've got plenty of storage at the top. We've put hats and handbags and bits up there. Plenty of room for your hanging space for your clothing. And at the bottom, we've decided to put all our shoes here. You've got these great little deep baskets for all your footwear. And then over here, we've just put backpack and there's a bit more room. So we think it works really well. Okay, so let's see what's behind this door. Okay, so at the top, there's the life jackets. Obviously very important when you're on a cruise. We've got a nice lot of storage space here. Great size safe, plenty of drawers to put all your bits and bobs in. And there's even like a little area at the bottom, bit of storage. And on the back of the door, you've got a lovely full-size mirror. So as well as that mirror there, you've also got a full-size mirror here. Okay, so let's run through the vanity area. So here you can see you've got a lovely sized mirror and it's a nice modern design. And then here is a little touch light, really simple to use. There you go. And over here, you've got some bottled water. Every day they top it up, 2 bottles of water, which is lovely. And then little fridge here. And it is a fridge, it's not a chiller. A lot of the cruise ships, they're just chillers. Here, you know, your drinks are lovely and cold, really cold. And there's a little control panel here for the room, and I'll let Pete run through that later with you. A bit too technical for me. And then for getting ready, guys and dolls, you've got the little buffet, little soft seat, and it's really cosy. And that's it really for the vanity area.
Going back to the room tour. On the back of your door you have your evacuation plan. It tells you where your position on the ship is, your preferred first and secondary routes out, and your assembly station. Secondly, you've got the air conditioning controls just here. Pretty modern controls and it's pretty easy to work. Moving on to the charging points. You have charging points under there. You don't have any charging points on this side of the bed that I can see. However, on the other side of the bed, you do have a couple of charging points just down there, which is fine for the person sleeping on that side of the bed. Right, let's get back to this area here. Now I just want to show you this. This is a multi-function charging plug. It's got US, UK and EU connections. It's very handy. It also has your USB-Cs and your standard USB points. If you've got multiple equipment that you need to charge, it's a very good idea to purchase yourself one of these. Standard European to UK plug. Okay, so let's move on to this control pad. Okay, so this controls your TV, a few of your room functions and also in-cabin services. Right, as you can see, top left you've got a TV on off, you've got a lights function, cabin curtains open and close. You can either press the TV on off or you can press any of these channels here and your TV will automatically come on. To turn it off you just press the TV button again. Let's test that Virgin Voyages. You can't see the TV right now because it's over there, but there you can hear it switching itself on. Let's switch it back off. Okay, that's switched off. The lights, let's have all the lights on. There you go, everything lights up a little bit. Let's turn all the lights off. There you go, all the lights off. It's going to get darker in a sec because I'm going to close the cabin curtains. You can hear them in the background. They're closed. I'll show you that shortly. Let's open them up again. There we go. Right, just moving on to room controls. Okay, so this is the lighting section. We'll get onto this section. Yeah, we'll get it on. Various modes. The lights in the cabin are all set up to, you know, draw these moods. Although to get it on mood, I'm not sure about that. Maybe wash your hair mood. Okay, entertainment. So let's scroll up here. No, there's not scroll up. Yeah, let's scroll down. Okay, so you've got a selection of films and then services. So this is, you know, rather than pick up your phone, you can order your fresh towels, cabin cleaned, have your bed changed. You can choose whether you want still water, sparkling water, or both, or no thanks. Laundry pickup, etc. Maintenance, this is where you'd report any problems with your room. Let's go back to entertainment, and let's put the news on. Okay, right, I'll be right back. Okay, let's carry this on. Okay, so we'll shut the curtains first so we can see what's going on. Closing curtains. Okay, now let's see if we can put a film on. Here we go, let's go for this one. Watch on TV. Let's wind down a bit. Okay, and the volume control is also on this remote.
Also from Benin, 7th century, Fula tribe, I believe.
Okay, let's turn that off because I'm sure we're going to get a copyright strike if we show that for too long. Come back out of here. Okay. So that's your movie section. I'm not sure how comprehensive the section is, but no doubt they update that from time to time. Right, okay, back to the room controls. Let's show you some of this mood lighting. So room controls down in the corner here. Okay, let's try this. Get it on. Cool. Check that out. Check that out. Let's just show you some of the lighting here. There we go. Let's go all the way around. Impressive, eh? Impressive. Okay, let's try something else. hangover mode. Right, not a lot's happening there, to be fair. Let's go for a Zen mode. Okay, so the lights are changing now. Let's go back. Right, let's go back and just show you that again. From get it on mode to Zen mode. There we go. Pumped up mode. Okay, pumped up mode, automatically the curtains are opening and we got a different ambience around the room. Impressive. Okay, quick note on the air conditioning. It will only work when this door is locked. There you go. And also there are some controls here to close your curtains. You want them open again, you go back here, open them up, job done. And there you have it. Right, so that's an overview of the room controls. You can place it back on your docking station here. And finally, don't forget to keep it plugged in, because when you want to get it on mode and you run out of batteries, you're going to miss your opportunity. Is that docked? There you go. Job done. I hope that was helpful.
So now I'm going to take you out onto the balcony. So here's the balcony. We've got 2 small chairs and a little table. Then we've got the lovely red swimming hammock. But the best part of this balcony is the view. So let's do the rest of the room. So we've got a great sized TV situated at the end of the bed, which is great. The bed itself is really comfortable, lovely comfy bed. Above the bed you've got a lot of mood lighting, really nice, so it's great for reading. Some really funky bedside tables, and then at the end of the bed they provide you with this lovely little glitter throw, which is, you know, fantastic when it's freezing cold, although you don't need it in the Caribbean, obviously. So this area here can be turned into a sofa, but to be honest we feel it's a little bit of messing around, and who wants to be doing that on your holiday? So I think that's why that chair there, spare chair, I think that's why they've put that there. So here's the mirror I was talking about earlier. So we really hope that you've enjoyed our room tour today. If you've got any questions, please feel free to pop the questions in our comment section and we'll do our best to answer them for you. Thanks again for watching and we'll catch you next time.
Thanks again for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe and hit that bell for future content.